on question number 18, there's no way that I can get these to be the same base. There's no way that I can express 143 as 19 raised to a power. So what I want to do is I want to take the log of both sides. So it's going to be log of 19 raised to the x is equal to log of 143. And the advantage to having a logarithm is that you are allowed to bring down the exponents to the main level. So using the power rule, this is now x times log of 19 is equal to log of 143. So I need to solve for x, so I'm going to divide both sides by log of 19 and move that over there. So x is equal to log of 143 over log of 19. And you can put the parentheses if you want to. And this is my exact answer. Now to find the decimal approximation, I want to type this into the calculator. So log of 143 divided by log of 19. So the decimal approximation is 1.685. And this is the decimal approximation.